Happy Littles.
The helpers around us song. Doctors heal when we feel unwell. Nurses help and make us well. Teachers guide us every day to learn, to grow, to find our way. Helpers, helpers near and far. Each one shines like a little star. In our town or big cities too, they make life better for me and you. Firefighters, brave and strong. Police keep us safe all day long. Chefs make meals so yummy to eat. Farmers grow the veggies we need. Helpers, helpers near and far. Each one shines like a little star. In our town or big cities too, they make life better for me and you, and you. Electricians fix the lights so bright. Plumbers stop the leaks at night. Carpenters build our chairs and doors. Mechanics help our cars to roar. Every job has a special place. They brighten up our living space. From building homes to caring for pets, a life of teamwork, no regrets. Painters color our world so fine. Tailors stitch clothes that shine. Drivers take us here and there. Gardeners grow beauty everywhere. Pilots fly us through the sky. Scientists ask the questions why. Librarians bring the books to read. Security guards bring peace indeed. Software developers write the code. Journalists share stories on the road. Veterinarians care for our pets. Accountants count with no regrets. Helpers, helpers near and far. Each one shines like a little star. In our town or big cities too, they make life better for me and you, and you. Construction workers build our homes. Photographers capture where we roam. Cleaners keep our spaces neat. Barbers make us look so sweet. So many jobs that we can see. They work with love and harmony. Thank you all for what you do. Life is brighter because of you.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. And press the bell icon.